Unpacking, it's a dime a dozen, a deep dive into common phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into the common phrase, it's a dime a dozen. This saying might sound a bit peculiar at first, but it's widely used in English to convey a specific idea. Stay with us as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation to sound more like a native speaker. It's a dime a dozen refers to something that is very common, cheap, or not unique. The phrase suggests that an item or quality is so plentiful that its value decreases. In other words, you could get a dozen of it for just a dime. It's a way of expressing that something is not special or rare. This phrase is often used to describe objects, but it can also refer to ideas, people, or situations. The expression, a dime a dozen, originated in the United States and dates back to the early 20th century. At that time, a dime could purchase a lot more than it can today, including larger quantities of items. The phrase became a popular way to indicate that something was easily obtainable and, therefore, of lesser value. Understanding the historical context of this phrase helps appreciate its meaning and usage in modern English. Incorporating "it's a dime a dozen" into your everyday language can help you sound more fluent and natural. Here are a few examples of how you can use it. Describing commonality. In this city, coffee shops are a dime a dozen. Expressing value. That kind of idea is a dime a dozen. What we need is something unique. Talking about skills. These days, basic computer skills are a dime a dozen among job applicants. Remember, the phrase is typically used in informal contexts, so it's best suited for casual conversations or writings. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, it's a dime a dozen. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to enhance your English language skills. Phrases like these add color and depth to your conversations, allowing you to express yourself more vividly. Thank you for joining us, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.